want a bag, I want a bag too. Yeah. She want it bad, I want it bad too. Yeah. Plant a seed and watch that bag bloom. I'm blowing up, watch that bag boom. Getting dirty, sipping muddy in that.
Hey, it's Jonae KyOshee. Welcome back to my channel. Pew, pew, pew. Okay, so today I have a different kind of video. It is about my locks. So if you want to stay tuned, please do. But before you do, welcome back to all my subbies who are already subscribed, and welcome new followers. Hey, hey, hey. Click that subscribe button. Join me. Join my journey if you're here for locking, my lock video, or join because I budget. But let's get right into this video. But before you do, make sure you like this video, comment down below, and subscribe right here. I'll be so thankful and grateful for you. And let's go. So I wrote everything down old-fashioned. I be forgetting I have a camera now. I don't film on my phone, so my phone is like charging. It's kind of like dead. But I'm like, I could have wrote it on there. But I wrote it down the old-fashioned way. So these are about my locks. Let's get into them. So these are d.i.y.microlocs that I did on myself. Do-it-yourself microlocs. That was me. Okay, I did that. I did my research first of all. Like, I was just looking. Sister locks, they are so gorgeous to me, but they cost so much money. And the way my bank account and budget is set up, that's a no-go. I'm like, if I look at something long enough and I research, I can do it by myself. So that's what I did. I did them by myself. I started to install these like late at night, September 17th of 2019. And I started to, well, first I parted my hair into sections. I think I have a picture, I'll put it up. I might cover my face because I look really gross, but I'll be putting pictures throughout this video. So yeah, so that's when I started to install them, and I finished installing them the next day, so September 18th. And reasons why I locked my hair is because all I wore was puffs, I'll put in, and like ponytails, like top knots is what they call them. And my hair, like I was growing it, and I've been natural for like 2.5 years, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And that's all I was doing. And I had like box braids maybe like two, 3 times since like I started my natural hair journey. And I'm just not like into like weaves and stuff like that. So I was like, I want to do something different. I always dyed my hair, you guys, all the time. I cut off my hair twice. I had like the short hairstyle, all that. So I was like, these are so gorgeous, and I want to lock my hair. And what I want is what I do. So I do what I want. I want what I do. Okay, that didn't make sense, but yeah. So these are d.i.y.microlocs. I've actually had them for a month and some days now. I'm loving them. I think they're so pretty. And how I started these microlocs is I two-hand stranded. I don't know if you guys can tell. I two-hand twist them, and then at the bottom I like seal them, I put a braid. Like I braided it at the end, and then I left a little out so that I can get this like curly effect. I hope you guys can see. I did that throughout my whole head. And then you guys, so I'm gonna put a picture up right now. That's how they looked before I split them up. So I'm like, I want volume. I love big hair, you guys. I love big hair. Like I will fluff my hair up all day. Like I love big hair. So the first picture that you guys just seen is when I first did them. And then like as the week went along, I'm like, I want my hair fuller. I want it bigger. So I started to take them, like if I found a big one, I split it into 2. So now from that picture to now, that's why they look so much fuller. And I don't know how much I have. I never counted them. You guys, I just, you know, just did my thing. A girl was tired. I didn't feel like counting them and like messing up, like no. So I just did that, and I did my first retwist. And first I palm rolled them, like the middle, and then the perimeter, you know, the perimeter of my head, I interlocked. The palm rolling, the gel that I used, it just did not like keep my hair. They came loose, period, okay? They came loose. I was so sad. So I was like, I don't want to interlock. That's too time consuming. But y'all, I interlocked all my hair. I did my first retwist and they're all interlocked. It took a while. It took a while. Because I was playing games, it took me about a week. Like, I would just, and that's not like every day of the week. You know, I was just playing, like I did all this, and then like a week later, like in a day, the rest of the day, I finished the middle of my hair. So I did my first retightening already, and I am loving this. I am freaking loving this. And I just started these because I was sick of puffs, ponytails. I never wore like weaves and wigs and stuff, so this is my new journey. And yeah, and what else did I write on here, you guys? I did my first retwist, and I am recording this video because I want to keep track of my transformation of my locks. Like, I just want to see them flourish and grow, and I'm hoping that I can bring in some new people who are curious about my lock journey, and you guys give me tips. I love tips, and if I have any along this journey, I will share mine as well. So I'm thinking about uploading every month about the growth of my hair, the journey, and any like cons or pros during those months. So I hope you guys stay tuned, and I hope you guys like this video, and let's hear about your lock journey if you are on one. If you are just watching just to watch, thank you. I appreciate you. You're amazing. You guys are all amazing. And remember, every month I'm going to come back and I'm going to check in and do a length check. At the end of this video, I'll actually show you guys a close-up and the back. I actually think I have pictures, so I'll actually insert those in, but I'll also give you guys a little view at the end of the video. So let's get into that little view really quick. Let's see. Right here and follow my lock journey. I'll be so thankful and grateful. You guys have a good day. Goodbye.
They win.